Welcome to IRC Duty Schedule Excel Worksheet. We're going to go into File Explorer, go down to Shared File, go to Duty Sheets, go to Excel File, find your office. We're going to do Barclay. Alright, let's start on available. This will be who's available for that month. Just input their name and their office, and then it will pull all of this information into the next month calendar on the 15th. And also on the 15th, when it switches over, it'll take any names from the previous month or this like current month of next month and put it into the current month folder. These names you can update by just grabbing the name and putting it into a little spot. It'll email that person the day of and the day before of that they have duty sheet. You can also make these easy to print out calendar formats. All you gotta do to update these when you change somebody out is hit Control-Shift-I or Control-Shift-N depending on what month. Control-Shift-I will do the next month, Control-Shift-N will do the current month. And it updates the entire spread. Other than that, if you are going to put somebody's nickname in there, so let's say PJ, make sure to put quotations around it. That way, when the bot runs to find it, so if it's looking for PJ, it's going to take that and find it in here. You don't have to worry about this, but as you see, her name has quotes around it, so make sure that's correctly inputted. Otherwise, it won't send them an email correctly. Other than that, that should be it. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.